a wall-mounted rack designed for easy access and maintenance? Wall-mount racks and brackets enable fast deployment, helping IT pros organize and secure IT equipment such as network switches and patch panels in tight spaces. Hinged racks like this one allow the entire frame to swing out and provide access to the rear of the rack for easier installation and maintenance of your equipment. Something else to note is this durable rack is available in a variety of view heights and ships fully assembled with included equipment mounting hardware for ease of installation. When you need to wall mount your server or networking equipment, choose a hinged rack design for easy access and maintenance. StarTech.com makes hard to find easy for IT professionals by solving their unique hardware connectivity and mounting challenges.